Happy Memorial Day, everybody!
So that way it's like a clear walkway for people.
Oh, nice.
Alrighty, guys.
Watchtower! There's actually a restaurant down there. Look at that. How cute. Wow. On East Bay Street.
Let's see, like,
Oh, yeah.
just a really cool vibe in there.
Printers Row.
This is actually like
Look
the start of
at
the
this
road.
bench. This is so beautiful. Wow. Look at these
8 a.m. to 8
cobblestones.
p.m.
You can park over here 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
You
over here.
cannot park here 8
Oh.
a.m. to 8 p.m. Yeah.
Got it.
Resident only.
Look at all the water at night.
There's a bridge off to the left.
Oh, look
Kind
at
of hard
that.
to tell, but that's it right there.
Yeah.
Gotta head into Mount Pleasant.
Over there. Pass it all the time. Wow. This is great. And which one is this one, honey?
I don't know the name of this one. Let me take a look.
Is this Waterfront Park? I think so.
It's a big pineapple. Can't really see the pineapple top part.
We'll definitely come back during the day. Waterfront Park. Also, Pineapple Park.
Should I jump in?
Wow. Should we jump in? No, we're not gonna jump
Come on in, the water's fine.
Oh my goodness, look at that. All the way back over there.
Take that like tiny little like weird elevator.
Oh yeah. Look at these lights are actually pink. You can barely even tell in the camera. There it goes. Wow. It's literally pink.
I think we played chess in there during the day.
Oh no, we played chess in there at night. What a memory. That is so crazy that we see all these places that we've been to in 2023. And now it's 2025. So this is really cool. The places that we've gone to tonight with Rainbow Road, Waterfront Park, and Pineapple Park, and now this place across the street with the pink.
Vendu is what it says outside of it.
The Vendu.
Yeah.
It's wild. Oh, look at the Clydesdales are coming by. It's wild because in 2023, we were just here to visit. We weren't here to like...
There's another one.
Well, we actually did look at places at that time. I do remember
Did
that
we?
now. Yeah. We
Wouldn't
did.
surprise me. I mean, we've been trying to move out of Wilmington for
For a long time.
so-
Yeah, I remember that it was like we went and we saw a few places, and then when we weren't looking at places, we were sightseeing downtown, but I
Kinda
didn't
like how we did
realize
with
how
Florida.
yeah, I just
Yeah.
didn't realize how close
All of
these
it
places
is.
are to each other, like
Yep.
King Street, and it's so
Meeting
weird to
Street.
be here now, like living here, and it's like
It is, yeah. It's kind of
all
cool.
right there.
It's all coming together.
Oh my gosh. Wow. What a beautiful evening. What a beautiful evening. It's a beautiful Sunday in downtown Charleston. We just made a left on Calhoun and it's exciting. We are headed over to the college and Sweet Honey is going to be giving us a sermon this morning.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it just feels so beautiful just walking down the streets. Everyone's got somewhere to go. We do wish that they were all on their way to church, right? That would be amazing. Oh, look at this.
Big mural.
That's a huge, huge mural. Wow. Gorgeous. Wow. Okay. Let's go.
Topic that's a little bit more controversial, I would say, within independent fundamental Baptist Bible-believing kind of circles, and it's the topic of unity. And we're going to talk about what the Bible has to say about it. So, join me if you would in the reading of God's Word.
It's Sunday evening, and we are taking a little stroll after dinner, and we had a little dessert too. So, Honey was taking a nap. You were taking a nap.
How's I doing?
Yes, and number 4, once again, these are going to be our living at the loft update.
Mm-hmm.
Especially,
yeah, so what happened?
Yeah, especially regarding number 4. So, yeah. So, somebody comes over and like knocks on the door, but they're knocking like so loud. I thought for sure you were gonna like wake up for sure. And I was like, they're knocking so loud, like how can the person not hear this that lives in number 4, right? So they stop for like a long time, like there's no more knocking, but I don't hear them leave. And then they knock again, like really loud. Yeah, they did this probably like 3 or 4 times. Like they would wait for like this long time. But the thing is, I could hear number 4 at like some point. Like I could hear them in there, like go down the stairs or something. Yeah, so that's why I was like, because you know, like he's really loud going down the stairs, like the metal stairs. He's not quiet. And so it was just really strange. I was like, the way that they were knocking, it was like the authorities. It wasn't like a regular like knock. Oh my gosh, I was afraid they were gonna start knocking on our door. It was weird. Like being so new here, like you just don't know like what each neighborhood is about. You know what I mean? So I don't know. It was just weird. It was just so strange. This is George Street. Taking a little stroll down here.
I'll be right back. I gotta fill this out.
You can see the sun setting here on Sunday night. Looks like some more apartments. Check out that staircase. Wow.
We're on George Street.
A swimming pool on the 2nd floor. What?
It's 21. See right there? Those umbrellas?
Oh. Look at that.